Hello and welcome. Here we are going to discuss about commands in Python. In computer programming, commands are hints that we use to make our code more understandable. Commands in Python is the inclusion of short descriptions along with the code to increase its readability. A developer uses them to write his or her thought process while writing the code. It explains the basic logic behind why a particular line of code was written. Commands are completely ignored by the interpreter. They are meant for fellow programmers. They are just meant for the coders themselves or other developers to understand a piece of code, especially since the Python interpreter completely ignores commands in Python. Commands in Python are identified with a hash symbol and extend to the end of the line. In the example, the two lines starting with a hash that is declare and initialize two variable and hash print the output are the commands. There are two types of commands, single line command and multi-line command. Single line commands begin with the hash character. Anything that is written in a single line after hash is considered as a command. The syntax for writing single line commands is hash command save. There are two ways of using single line commands in Python. You can use it before the code or next to the code. In this example, create a variable and print the name are two single line commands. In single line command, alongside the code before hash will be executed and after hash will be ignored. Like in this example, this is a single line of code where command is written alongside the code. The other type of command is multi-line command. Python does not support multi-line commands. However, there are multiple ways to overcome this issue. None of these ways are technically multi-line commands, but you can use them as one. The first way is by using hash at the beginning of each line of the command. In this example, there are multiple lines and each line is starting with a hash symbol, so we can consider this as a multi-line command. Another way to create multi-line command is to use triple quotes. In this example, anything written between two sets of triple quotes is considered as the multi-line command. So the benefits of using commands in Python is it makes the code easily understandable by other programmers. Using commands makes the code self-explanatory. It helps remember why we used a specific command, method or function in the code. It enables the interpreter to ignore some part of the code while testing. It is one of many basic concepts in Python that you must learn to grasp the programming language. So this is the brief intro of Python commands. Thanks for watching.